Education Society. So on this occasion, we know that the world has changed and with it comes challenges, but we look for opportunities to create magic. So on this platform, we have been sharing the question papers, teaching material, and the maths WhatsApp group. But in today, this one is a special evening because on this evening, we are all gathering here on the virtual platform for bidding farewell to Satish sir. So this virtual meet is just a beginning to expand our horizon of getting together. I, S. Kalyan Babu, PGT Maths, Mysore, welcome each of the participants to this special meeting organized for our special guest, Mr. Satish Kumar sir, PGT Maths, ACS 5 Mumbai, who superannuated yesterday. So an equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God, said Srinivas Ramanujan. So we begin with Ganesha Vandana. Vijay sir, please play the Ganesha prayer song.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Am I audible to all? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. So after this beautiful Ganesh Vandana, when Lord Ganesha has bestowed our prayers and our wishes to Lord Ganesha, now we move on to the next segment. एक महान शिक्षक वह कुम्हार है जो मिट्टी को भी सोना बना देता है। सतीश सर ऐसे ही एक उदाहरण है और उन्होंने कई सारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत काम किया है। ऐसे ही दो विद्यार्थी एसीएस एटॉमिक एनर्जी सेंट्रल स्कूल नंबर 5 मुंबई के अपने विचार सर के बारे में प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। ये 2 होनहार बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने साइंस एग्जीबिशन में प्राइज लिया है और ऑल इंडिया मैथ्स एग्जीबिशन में प्राइज लिया है और उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है सर के साथ और वो अपने विचार सर के बारे में प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं। 2 होनहार बच्चों का नाम है अतुल कृष्णा और श्लोक कुल्हर। ये दोनों ही बच्चे 2019 के बैच के हैं। 2 साल पहले ये बच्चे सर के साथ थे और उनका जो मिडास टच है, जो मैजिक है, वो इन बच्चों ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है और वो आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं। सो आइए सुनते हैं अतुल कृष्णा और श्लोक कुल्हर को, जो सर के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहते हैं।
To my dear Satish sir and all the respected teachers present here. Thank you for giving me and my friend Atul this opportunity to share our feelings on this auspicious occasion. I feel elated to connect with all my teachers via this online platform. Satish sir was our class teacher in the 10th standard and he taught us maths and physics. Yes, the 2 most important and my favorite subjects. He used to give us a thorough idea about the concept either by explaining every single point on the blackboard or by performing them practically. Just like the soldiers who get trained to face adverse situations in the war situation, Satish sir trained us to face different questions in the board exams by giving us useful tips and tricks. He also gave me personal attention and guidance to get me prepared for the inter-AECS quiz competition held in Tarapur. We all were a great fan of Sir's sense of humor. We can't forget how we used to laugh so hard on his jokes. Sir's high energy level and sense of humor made every lecture more enjoyable and digestible. At times, Sir used to scold us for all our musty and mischief, but Sir, we know you cared about all of us and you just wanted to get us on the right track. All his efforts and hard work are visible in the form of fantastic results scored by his students. Sir, thank you for being in our lives. You will always be remembered. Wishing you a very happy and healthy post-retirement life.
I completely agree with you, Shlok. As it is rightly said, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. And we are grateful that we had Satish sir to light our way. Satish sir is one of my favorite teachers ever. His method of teaching made learning maths, a subject commonly considered to be difficult and boring, so blissful and interesting, and helped us to fall in love with it. With his jovial and humorous nature, he made sure that his class never became dull or monotonous for us. It is really enigmatic how he used his humor and wit to make even the driest of topics enjoyable for us. He has a passion for maths, and he made sure that he instilled the same passion in his students. His words and the lessons he gave shall
Yes, that's it.
Now over to Kalyan sir. He has a magic to play now.
The journey of Satish sir from a young mathematician from Kerala to a dedicated and extraordinary teacher in Mumbai ACS 5 is well captured and displayed in a present video created by Mr. Vinod Sonavane, PGT Social Science, Mumbai ACS 5. So sir's journey and his adventure started from Kerala to Mumbai. So it's a long tenure, and it's for about, he has crossed almost 3 decades and covering most of the students from different parts of the country. So now, Vijay Kumar sir, please play the video presented by Mr. Vinod Sonavane.
മകനെ തുടങ്ങു നിൻ യാത്ര. മച്ചകത്തമ്മയെ കാൽ തൊട്ടു വന്ദിച്ചു മകനെ തുടങ്ങു നിൻ യാത്ര. അദ്വൈത വേദാന്ത ചിന്തതൻ വഴിയിലൂടാദ്യന്തമില്ലാത്ത മച്ചകത്തമ്മയെ കാൽ തൊട്ടു വന്ദിച്ചു മകനെ തുടങ്ങു നിൻ യാത്ര. ഒന്നായ നിന്നെ രണ്ടെന്നു കണ്ടുള്ളൊരിന്തലുകൾ പോക്കുന്ന യാത്ര. ഒന്നായ നിന്നെ രണ്ടെന്നു കണ്ടുള്ളൊരിന്തലുകൾ പോക്കുന്ന യാത്ര. താൻ താൻ നിരന്തരം ചെയ്തോരു കർമ്മഫലദോഷങ്ങൾ തീർക്കുന്ന യാത്ര. മോക്ഷമലയാത്ര, ബ്രഹ്മമലയാത്ര, കഠിനതരമായൊരു ഹഠയോഗയാത്ര.
Very nice.
It's a beautiful video depicting
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So all the precious memories of Satish sir has been depicted in this wonderful video. Thank you for School 5 teachers for making this wonderful video.
Now इस खूबसूरत प्रस्तुति के बाद अब आइए सुनते हैं बच्चों के मन की बात. शिक्षक की गोद में उत्थान पलता है, जहां सारा शिक्षक के पीछे चलता है, फिर हजारों बीज वही पेड़ जनता है. सर ने ऐसे कई मैजिक रचे हैं. स्कूल नंबर 4 में उनका 10th का बैच था जिसने एकदम मैजिकल रिजल्ट दिया था और बोर्ड का तो ऑफ कोर्स दिया ही था. इसके अलावा इन बच्चों ने कई बच्चों ने आईआईटी, बिट्स पिलानी, मेडिकल, मतलब इतने सारे बच्चे थे कि आई थिंक द लिस्ट वाज सो लॉन्ग. अमंग देम 2 of the students have shared their views on sir and they were very glad to talk about sir. So I just read out. This is Sai Shri Kota from ACS 4 10th F 2015-16 batch. She says, "Dear sir, thank you for teaching our class and being one of the best class teachers ever. I am really happy and grateful to be one of your students. The memories of 10th F will always be cherished. Wishing you a very happy retirement." She is now presently studying in IIT Chennai Chemical Engineering. Yet another student, Gunjan Butada, she is again from the same batch 2016 10th F. She says that, "Sir, you were instrumental in shaping my career. You have been one of the biggest influencers in my school life. Some of the concepts which you taught are still etched in my mind. You made a tough subject so simple. Wishing you the very best in your next innings, sir." Gunjan Butada, 2016 10th F batch. She is doing her computer engineering from BITS Pilani. So all credit to you, sir, for being an excellent teacher. Now it's time to listen and see some magic. And this one is from our, as you know that maths teachers, most of the time they are told they are not very talented, but luckily their children are very talented. So here we come across one such little talent. This is specially done for sir by our little Rishik. He is in 2nd standard. You see the beautiful poetry he narrates to entertain sir, and he is so magically, I mean, you will really get impressed by this little boy of 2nd standard who is narrating a beautiful poetry. So over to Rishik. He is Kalyan sir's son.
Acha, okay.
So, Kalyan sir, are you presenting?
No, you will be presenting, sir.
Yes, sir.
I request you to present, sir.
Actually, you have clicked on present now, so.
No, I have stopped it. I was actually presenting the.
Okay, 1 minute. Actually, you are presenting, so.
the student from ACS 4,
Okay, 1 minute. So,
Gayatri Kota picture I was sharing.
okay. So I am going to present the poem.
Yeah, yes, sir.
The little boy's energy is so captivating. Yeah.
सर ऑडियो म्यूट हुआ है.
I think there is some issue with the audio, I think. There is some issue with the audio, I think. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Now
Thank
over,
you. Thank you.
now over to Kalyan sir for messages
Thank you,
from
Kalyan
mobile.
sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So Satish sir, you started your tenure and this a journey in AES many years ago and made many new friends. So you have got a lot of friends. So the friends from AES Mumbai schools, they wish to say on this occasion, they wanted to speak and greet yourself, greet sir. So Neelam Sharma madam from ACS 4, TGTSS Mathematics. So I request Vijay Kumar Shukla sir to present the video of Neelam Sharma madam of ACS 4 Mumbai.
Hello, sir. Wish you a very happy, healthy, and active retired life. Enjoy your second innings, sir. enjoy. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
And one of the other AES maths teacher from ACS 5, Atomic Energy Central School 5, Mumbai, Rakesh Puljile sir. He also had presented a video to greet sir. So Shukla sir, please play the video of Rakesh sir, ACS 5 Mumbai.
Congratulations for the successful completion of your tenure, and I wish you all the best for your second inning of life. In my associations with you since last 8 months, I observed that you are most respectful and loved teacher by students as well as parents. You are excellent in subject. Teaching is your passion and you did it with full commitment. Your systematic approach towards the things and emphasis on punctuality made working with you a pleasant experience. Sir, it would be really difficult for me to fill the gap created by you. Once again, I wish you all the best for your happy, peaceful and healthy life.
Thank you, Puljile sir. Thank you, sir.
Now we shall move on to Sumitra madam from Atomic and Central School 2. She was one of the person who wanted to organize this event on this day, on this special occasion day. So Sumitra madam, ACS to Mumbai. Shukla sir, please present the video.
Hello Satish sir. Though I have worked with only Sita Lakshmi madam and not Satish sir, but still I had got the opportunity to interact with Satish sir on various occasions, like our JSO, JMO workshops, subject meetings, and other common functions of our schools. I found Satish sir to be a very pleasant and positive personality. I wish Satish sir, Sita Lakshmi madam, and the children very happy, healthy, prosperous, and peaceful years ahead. Sitash Madhatinam, Satish Sarkum, Makkalkum, and Hridayam Niranya Ashamsaka.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sumitra madam. Thank you. Nandi.
Now the next person is the vibrant Sangeeta Mishra madam. She is full of josh and full enthusiasm. On this day, next video is Sangeeta Mishra madam of ACS 5 Mumbai.
Hello sir, wishing you all the very best, and I know maths teachers just can't retire, so I'm sure you're going to do something very interesting after your retirement. So I know this is just the beginning of something fresh, something very magical in your life. So wishing you all the very best for your coming days. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta madam. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
So after the friend's journey, now it is time to get connected to the motherland, and yet another beautiful presentation of the little Sampriti. So अब तैयार हो जाइए देश की मिट्टी के साथ जुड़ने के लिए प्यारी संप्रीति के साथ. ये एक प्यारी सी गुड़िया है 6th स्टैंडर्ड मैसूर की, और मैं आपको बता दूं कल्याण सर इज वन ऑफ दोज लकी मैन हु हैज 2 wonderful, talented, brilliant children. And this little Sampriti is also sir's daughter, who has specially done this dance for sir and made it very colorful. So please enjoy the dance of Sampriti of Mysore ACS and our own child of ACS. So over to Sampriti, teri mitti mein mil jawa. She's so pretty, very pretty, like you, like a baby doll. And the important thing is, she was our school 5 student also.
My name is Sampriti. Today I am going to perform a dance. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा. Without any further ado, let's start. Like my video, please like, share and subscribe.
Now over to Kalyan sir for giving sir yet another surprise. So Kalyan sir is going to present something very special for all of us.
Yeah, well, we all know that Satish sir tenure started from Rawatpata, and he has got a lot of friends. And so from Kaiga also, there are teachers who have worked with him. Now we have a surprise coming from Kaiga teachers, Mini Miria Tommy, PGT Maths, ACS Kaiga. She wishes to sir about his superannuation day. So on this occasion, Mary ma'am wishes to say to Satish sir. So Shukla sir, Mary ma'am's video.
Sir, I can't imagine that you are retiring from service. Sir, you are a bundle of positive energy, very humble, active, jovial, and an amazing teacher. You are an inspiration for all the teachers. Only good human being can become a good teacher, and you are one among them. I had the privilege to work with you for more than 8 years. Sir, I have the fond memories of our trip to Manuguru, Indore and Mumbai for orientation course and paper evaluation. I really enjoyed your company in all these trips. Sir, your students loved your classes very much. You have taught my children also. Sir, thank you for guiding and motivating them. I too got the privilege to teach your daughter Shruti, one of the best students in my career. Sir, you and madam are more than a colleague to me. I wish you a happy retired life because you really deserve the best. Thank you, sir, for being a part of my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Now another teacher from ACS Kaiga, Srimati K. Indumati, TGTSS Mathematics ACS Kaiga. She wishes to Satish sir, Indumati madam.
Good wishes to all who are there in this world. Good wishes to all who are there in this virtual farewell meet, and a special wishes to Satish sir. Sir, I'm Indumati from ACS Kaiga, the second longest place of stay in your service. I met Satish sir for the first time in 2002 when I joined ACS Kaiga. Sir has supported and guided me in my ways of teaching students. I have learned a lot from him. Whenever I feel I am stressed or overburdened with work, I remember Satish sir saying, if you enjoy your work, then you are never overburdened or stressed. Sir, do you remember when did you say these words to me? Yes, you're right. When you were transferred from ACS Kaiga and I was all alone left to make the timetable where I was not knowing ABC of it. I am glad that I got an opportunity to work with you. Sir is always very supportive and helpful to his colleagues. Sir, you are a rainbow in many of the students' life. I wish you a long, healthy, and happy retirement. And I also thank the farewell organizing committee for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you, Indumati madam. Thank you very much.
So sir had a blend of experience balancing the senior teachers as well as the junior teachers. So for juniors, he was the motivator, and for the seniors, he was the follower. So Satish sir, now we have a musical tribute to Satish sir from the T. Uma ma'am. She's a computer teacher from ACS 5 Mumbai. So Shukla sir, please play the musical tribute sent by Uma ma'am. It's an instrumental song. Uma teacher, computer science teacher, ACS 5, Mumbai. She's also a multi-talented teacher. Along with the computer expertise, she also has classical, vocal, and both her children are from ACS 4 Mumbai.
Yes, that's it.
So it was not audible actually. I think there was some technical glitch. Okay, so
Any issue with the audio, madam?
yes, sir, we could not hear the song actually.
Oh,
Was it clear to everybody else?
No, I also did not hear.
one minute. I can replay it.
Yes, sir, now audible.
ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. മയത്തിലെ ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ടും മഞ്ഞത്തൂവിൽ സുത്തിക്കൊണ്ടും മണിക്കുഴലൂതിക്കൊണ്ടും കണി കാണണം. മയിൽ പീലി ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ടും മഞ്ഞത്തൂവിൽ സുത്തിക്കൊണ്ടും മണിക്കുഴലൂതിക്കൊണ്ടും കണി കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. വകചാത്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വാസനപ്പൂവണിയുമ്പോൾ ഗോപികമാർ കൊതിക്കുന്നോരുടൻ കാണണം. വകച്ചാർത്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വാസനപ്പൂവണിയുമ്പോൾ ഗോപികമാർ കൊതിക്കുന്നോരുടൻ കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. അടിയന്റെ അശ്രുവിനു കുതിർന്നോർ അവൽ പോതി കൈക്കൊള്ളുവാൻ കണി കാണണം. അഗതിയമടിയന്റെ അശ്രുവിനു കുതിർന്നോർ അവൽ പോതി കൈക്കൊള്ളുവാൻ കണി കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം.
So after this musical tribute, I know Satish sir is very fond of music. He has a very great taste of music. And, it goes without saying that without music, mathematics cannot happen. When you look at history, all the mathematicians were extremely talented and they had great love for music, right from Albert Einstein to Satish sir. So everybody is, extraordinarily a fan of music, and so is our sir. And he also hums. I've heard him, beautiful, and his choice of songs are very good. And he has that classical touch, though he may not have learned, but he is definitely a born singer, which we'll hear it sometime. So with this, we move on to the next segment. Add.
Sita is asking, when you used to sing?
I heard you singing in every class.
Satish sir, now you have to sing. Satish sir, now you have to sing.
He sings only for madam, I think. Okay. So, let's moving on to the next segment. हो वक्त की धूप या हो तेज आंधियां, कुछ कदमों के निशान कभी नहीं मिटते, जिन्हें याद करके मुस्कुरा दे ये आंखें, वो लोग दूर होकर भी दूर नहीं होते। जी हाँ, ऑल दिस, ये सारी पंक्तियां हैं हमारी सबसे फेवरेट, सबसे डियरेस्ट नीना भूपैया मैडम के लिए। डॉक्टर नीना भूपैया मैडम, who was a principal just few months back, now she is now graced ACS Kakrapar. And she, when she was in school, I remember all the senior teachers telling, I wish I retired under her tenure, I wish I could retire in her, but everybody can't retire in her presence, you see. So this is but madam made sure that she's there for sir, and this is all her love that she has for all the people with whom she works. She is a person, a magical principal, who knows to be bonding with everybody equally well. And we were really very fortunate, very blessed to have her with us. And now again we are very grateful to madam. I have really short of words to be so thankful to her that she's joined the meet. I just requested her and she was there, like always. Madam is always there for us, whether in Kakrapar. I think the distance really didn't matter, and so the bonding still remains with all of us of ACS 5. And even now the students keep telling hamari principal Neena madam. So abhi tak bachcho ke bhi dimag mein ye sync nahi hua hai ki we have a new principal. So madam is still there in ACS 5. So here's a message from madam to sir, and I know sir was missing her badly yesterday, and he wanted that last gift from her, but doesn't matter sir, you have the message from madam, and this is the message.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Meena Bopaya. I'm very glad to be a part of this program. Thanks to Sangeeta Mishra, who told me that all the maths teachers are coming together to wish Satish sir. I'm very sad that today I was not able to meet Satish sir. On this day, I would have loved to be a part of the entire program. But somehow, situation is so great that I was not able to make it. And being so far away, it was not possible to meet sir today. I'm glad that at least in this way, I will be able to convey what I have wanted to. Satish sir, when I was transferred to school number 5, Roma Kachuk was the one who told me that in school 5, you have a wonderful teacher, and he is Satish sir. In fact, when I came there, whatever she said was proved right, because I found in you a very, very hardworking and diligent teacher who guarded the exam department like a custodian. Everything that we did there, every advice that you gave us, everything was for the welfare of the students. I remember the number of times we have had classes for the slow learners, extra classes, and then, all the papers that we gave to students, extra worksheets that we gave, everything was in favor of bringing up the results of the school. I'm talking in particular about class 10. And I'm so happy that all the 3 years we got 100% result there. For the students of atomic energy, I think all the maths teachers will agree with me that maths happens to be a very difficult subject. But then, so I saw to it that though maths is a difficult subject for the students, he tried to make it as easy as possible so that they would have no difficulty in getting through the papers. And that's exactly what he did all the 3 years. He tried to make it as easy as possible for them, taught the concept so well that they were able to understand and they were able to perform. Thank you, sir, for what you've been. Not only as a teacher, as the senior most teacher also, you had a very balanced approach in everything that you did. All the work pertaining to the school, whether it was just the normal functioning of the school or any other curricular activities, the programs of the school, everywhere you behave like the senior most teacher, balanced and always there, like a backbone, always there to support the system. I remember all the functions that we've had, whether it was the annual day or CCA day, sports day, and the festivals that we ourselves, teachers, enjoyed in school. Everywhere you contributed so well. You have always been a part and parcel of these programs. The picnics we enjoyed so much. Thank you, sir. All these are beautiful memories that I'll carry with me. And thanks for being a part of that memory. Thanks for being a part of my team, which worked so hard those 2 years there in Anushakti Nagar. I'm sure you'll carry on this tradition of working hard. I think you are the only person whom I used to meet during my evening walks. So that also tells me that you put in a lot of effort to see that your health and fitness is maintained. So continue maintaining your health and fitness. Because to me, I always believe that age is only a number. And a man cannot retire from his experience. In fact, his experience achieves more with less energy and time. So let me also hope for you that your experience will make you achieve much more with less energy and time, and you'll be able to do well in whatever you're planning for your future. Patrick Foley had once said that retirement is a blank sheet of paper. It is a chance to redesign your life into something new and different. I hope you too will redesign your life into something new and something beautiful. I would like to end with a poem for you, sir. It takes a special person to teach a child in class, to just keep his attention in a world that moves so fast, to show a child his unique, his talents deep inside, to help to build his confidence so he can beam with pride, to show a little patience for a child who's lost his way, to a child who feels abandoned, who has seen better days, to inspire and to motivate so a child can learn and grow, to go into this big wide world that has its highs and lows. You are a special person. You always give your best. And for every child who has your class, their life is truly blessed. Yes, sir. Their life is truly blessed. The lives of all those students who you have taught all these years. May your life be doubly blessed. Have a wonderful post-retired life, sir. Have a great time and do all that you have always planned to do. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. And I think all of us can unmute and give a loud clap to madam, because she's so kind that she's even joined in spite of the busy schedule. So let's all clap for madam.
Very true. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for being so good to us.
Thank you. In fact, it was because of you that I was able to join. Thank you, Sangeeta. And all the best, Satish, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Working with you for 3 years was the golden period in my 33 years service, madam.
My pleasure, sir. You were the best part of my team. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I should thank all of you for being a part of my team.
Thank you very much, madam.
To Kalyan sir for the program.
After the devotional song sung by Uma madam, okay, with the blessings of Guru Vairappa and Principal ACS Kakrapar, Nina madam's well wishes, we move on to the next. Our dear Vinod Sonavane sir, he had made a wonderful collage to his dearest friend Satish sir. So I also take the opportunity to thank Mr. Vinod Sonavane sir, who had wonderfully made the video and another collage to be presented now. So Shukla sir, please show the collage which was made by Vinod sir.
This is the collage.
It actually captures all glimpses of sir, actually.
Yes.
Yeah, all the occasions, all the.
My parents, brothers, then family. Father and mother, both two brothers, and school, family. Thank you, Vinod sir.
This is sir with hair, and he looks handsome with hair, and even now.
Ever handsome.
Somebody said ever handsome.
Yes.
Thank you, Shukla sir, for that comment. And we have another collection of photographs which is made from the various sources. So we have another video. This is a surprise photographs which are collected without the notice of Satish sir. So without his notice itself, these photographs have been collected by his friends and his family members. And this beautiful video is being compiled and is again presented. So Shukla sir, please come forward and present the video.
मुझे दर्द के काबिल बना दिया, तूफान कोई कश्ती का साहिल बना दिया, बेचैनियां समेट के सारे जहान की, जब कुछ न बन सका तो मेरा दिल बना दिया, ओ साथी तेरे बिना
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, now the platform is open for the speakers, the participants of this farewell function, the superannuation of Satish sir. So the participants can present their and can they speak out their views and express their views to Satish sir. So platform is open for audience, the participants. Whoever wishes, wishing, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nagaraj sir, you can switch on your video also. We want to see you, sir. Yes, sir.
Seen, not seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Seen, yeah. So, Nagarajan from Atomic Energy Junior College, Mumbai. On this occasion, I would like to recall one kind-heartedness of Mr. Satish sir. A long ago, 1992 April. I think sir may not be knowing. In 1992 April, I was staying in Rawat Bhatta Heavy Water Colony, working as a TGT, School 3. I was, like a bachelor, I was staying there. My family wanted to join me during her vacation. She was also working as a government school teacher in Karnataka. She wanted to join me for a short period. I was in need of a flat or a house because that time Mr. Bajwa sir told that he would get a hostel accommodation there. But finally he told that no, it is not possible, Mr. Nagarajan, you find yourself. So it was 1992 to Rawatbata. It was very difficult to find a flat or house in Rawatbata. During that time, one of my friend spoke generally in the staff room or in his friend's circle. Mr. Satish sir came to know that I was in need of a house. Immediately, he handed over the key through that friend, though we were not knowing each other. It was occupied by Mr. I think one karate master was there. He was on vacation. He left the house for 2 to 3 months. So that time he utilized and he told one of his friend, our common friend, let them stay in that house which is vacant. So he handed over the key, and I think Mr. Selvaraj brought the key. Now he is no more. PGT Geography he was. Through him, I got the help. Though we were not knowing each other, that kind-heartedness, the kind-heartedness of Mr. Satish sir is clearly known in this. And one more occasion also, we worked together recently for JSO, JMO. Only these 2 occasions we could meet. Then some of the, in this JSO, JMO, he cooperated and he set the question papers as well as answers all those things along with the other teachers. These 2 occasions I found him always smiling. Satish sir always used to smile. He was also examination in charge in school 5. I was also exam in charge in school in junior college. We both of them met in school 6 for some other requirement filling or some functions, biscuit packet purchase, for all those things, tender opening, all those things we used to go over there and we meet each other. Only these 2 occasions, rarely we used to meet outside. Though we were not in regularly meeting, we were knowing each other. So always mathematics teacher usually don't smile, easily won't smile. But Satish sir is an exception, always used to smile. That is a special character. On this occasion, he has completed 33.5 years, I think. 33. In 1988, he joined. I joined there in 1992. We were not knowing Hindi that much. I was not knowing Hindi that much in Rawatbata. I think in school too, for a short period we met, I think, sir. Yes, sir. ACS too. Only just for 3-4 days I came and joined. I got relieved from there. I think. So, anyhow, sir, for the rest of the life, I pray the Almighty God to give you peaceful, pleasant, and happy, healthy, retired life. Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Kalyan Babu. Thank you very much. Hello.
Thank you very much, sir. Nagaraj sir was appointed in school number 3, Hindi medium school. Though he was not
really don't have fun.
His first appointment was in Hindi medium school.
Not knowing even a single word in Hindi. Even then, I could manage 4 months over there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you for the cooperation. That time you gave 15 days flat to stay with me comfortably. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So welcome.
Thank you, Nagarajan sir, for exchanging your thoughts and also sharing your experiences, old memories of Rawatbata. And though the teachers are seniors, what we could see from this is on this virtual platform, though our teachers have learned a lot in this online teaching, though our teachers are not familiarized with online teaching, they have been using the equipments, tech tools, the latest technology. So it's a very good, we can appreciate our teachers. Mathematics as such, online teaching is very, very difficult, but still all the teachers are learning and teaching the students with utmost care. So now we shall move to the any other participant willing to speak.
Good evening, myself Jessie Matthew from ACS Kudangalam. Love of the pupils is the first essential quality of a successful teacher. These are the words of our President Dr. Radhakrishnan. And as we all know that why he is famous amongst teachers and how these words are so apt for Satish Kumar sir. Actually, before I met him only I think once either in JSOJMO in Mumbai or once when I came to Kaiga with students with some dance program. That is only one time I have met him. But before I met you, sir, I've heard such a lot of things about you. So I just couldn't wait to share that one particular incident. Two of your students, Pramat and Pranav, if I am remembering their name after 15 years, that is because of you. Because when they joined from Kaiga to Kagappa, I just inquired who taught you maths there, and also they were talking about you and they missed you terribly, sir. So the students are the best judges of teachers, and the love they had for you and the words they spoke for you, that made me so I am this eager to meet you sometime or at least once somewhere in our school whenever there is some program or. So I was lucky to meet you, and I felt that whatever the students said, that was so true. And I read what James sir wrote about you, and that message written about you was sent in our group, and that was really wonderful. I can't recreate that magical words here, but sir, we will be really missing you and looking up to you for more guidance whenever we want. So sir, wish you all the best, and really we'll be missing you, sir.
Thank you.
And frankly speaking, sir, you don't look 60. Many of us will look 60. You're above 60, but you don't look. Thank you, sir. All the best.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessie Matthew, ma'am, for expressing your views.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir.
Yeah. Okay, our special thanks to Vijay Kumar Shukla, sir, who, in spite of his busy schedule, now he's in administrative section. Now he's no more he's not among our teaching fraternity. He has gone to the administrative side. But still, Vijay Kumar Shukla sir has come forward and he has given his support in making this farewell functions. So now we request Satish sir to speak his experiences and his achievements, milestones that he had come across in AES. Though the journey is not a short, it's a very long tenure, and 33 years is not. 33 years is quite a long period. So Satish sir.
I would like to say something for you, sir, before you express your views. This is exclusively for you. सफर की हद है वहाँ कि कुछ निशान रहे, चले चलो जहाँ तक ये आसमान रहे, ये क्या उठाए कदम और आ गए मंजिल पर, मजा तो तब है कि पैरों में कुछ थकान रहे. तो एक लंबी सी जर्नी आपने कवर की और बहुत से बच्चों को इंस्पायर किया. तो डेफिनेटली आपको तो हम जानते ही हैं, लेकिन आपको सुनना चाहते हैं. और मैं हिंदी इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि सर की हिंदी मेरे से काफी अच्छी है, और मुझे अभी पता चला कि सर को हिंदी क्यों इतनी अच्छी आती है. आई रियली डाउटेड कि उनको हिंदी आती है नहीं. तो एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि हम लोग कुछ जब जैसे अभी सर ने बताया सीख ही रहे थे, तो सर ने एक वीडियो भेजा मुझे हिंदी वाला कि इसमें गूगल फॉर्म्स कैसे एक्सप्लेन होता है. So I said, I know English. So he said, yeah, but I understand well in this. And I understood that he understands Hindi. So this was exclusively for you. Yes, sir. We would like to hear from you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Shukla sir, all the admins of AES Maths Group, and so it was a big surprise. I'm speechless actually. Madam Neena madam's presence. So I never expected. Actually, I wished that her period of stay in Mumbai would have been extended up to some more months. So that anyway, that her presence here made me very happy, ma'am. And all the good words about me. I'm very, very thankful to all of you. My journey started. Actually, I am the first one to get farewell from at national level because of this. And the first was usually it is used to be in the local level only, and because of AES Maths Teachers Group, I am getting at national level from all parts of the country. And thank you everyone for all the efforts. I started my journey from Mumbai only in 85. Then 88 I got appointment in AECS Rawat Bhatta. I stayed there for 14 years, 11 years at Kaiga, and last 8 years. And these years of service also forms an AP. Thank you very much. And Rawat Bhatta, of course, so many friends. Though I worked only in 3 centers, I worked in all big centers. Two of the centers are very big. 4 schools were there at Kaiga. At Rawat Bhatta. 4 schools. I worked there in 2 schools. And in Mumbai, there are 6 schools plus junior college. So the number of friends I got from all those centers, or from all the 3 centers, and so many teachers from Hyderabad, because of their rotation transfers, I know almost all the teachers. So almost many teachers, many good friends I got of all the centers. And I started my career at Rawat Bhatta. It's a wonderful place. Actually, because of the remoteness or the distance from hometown only made me to take a request transfer to Kaiga. My family, we got very good friends there, still there. Bachelor life at Rajasthan Rawat Bhatta hostel. John sir was there, now principal in ACS 2 Rawat Bhatta. We were hostel mates. Very nice time we spent there. After 1 year, we got married from there only, and both the children, elder one studied up to 7th standard there, younger one was there up to 2nd standard. So because of the remoteness that much, now it is a big city. Rawat Bhatta is a big city, I heard. I could not visit Rawat Bhatta after my transfer from there, but I want to go there. I want to meet Shukla sir, especially. I want to say thanks personally to him. When I started the group, actually AES Maths group, he asked me to add the teachers in the group. I was, without any doubt, I added because I know his intention. This purpose, his intention was very clear. I didn't ask anyone whether I can add them or not. I know the intention and the purpose is served. Now, this is the only serious. It is not serious. Many are getting benefited because of this group. Many subject teachers, Kalyan Babu sir sharing many things. Shukla sir, how many sample papers, how many videos. It helped a lot during this time, especially. We are using all your materials, sir. We are thanking. Thanks for all that. Kalyan Babu sir, admins, all the admins, and who took initiative for this program. And after that, after my stay at Rawat Bhatta, then in Kaiga also very good. It's a small place. It's a remote place. I got wherever I go, I got very good parallel teachers in maths. I don't know, very good teachers, especially Indimali madam, Mini madam, and then came Shukla sir. So all the teachers, and NK Sharma was also there from Rawat Bhatta. He's there in the meeting, I think. He was my first parallel teacher in Rawat Bhatta. Naresh Kumar Sharma, he was there in the meeting. I don't know.
Sir joined. Sir joined. Naresh sir joined.
He is there. Okay. Thank you, NK Sharma sir, and John sir, Shukla sir, from many teachers from Rawat Bhatta. Then Kaiga Indumati madam. So there only my elder daughter completed 12th standard. She got admission in IIT because of the efforts of the teachers and her hard work. But I thank all the teachers from all over, all the centers for the second younger daughter also got admission in engineering college. Both are working now. Shruti is in New York. After her education from IIT, she is working as a business consultant in New York. And younger one got a job in TCS. She is working from home. She is with me. And finally, through in Mumbai, so all the teachers, all the maths teachers, we used to have JSO JMO meeting. So school 1 teachers, school 2 teachers. So all maths teachers are always subject committee meetings. Enjoyed a lot, madam. And throughout my journey in Mumbai, Sangeeta Sharma madam was there for all the 7 years. Out of 8 years, 7 years, Sangeeta Sharma madam was there with me. And she is such a support, personal problems or professional official matters, I can discuss anything with her, and she has got a solution for everything. And I am very, very, very thankful to Madam in the last lap of my journey, and Maitri Ramana Madam for all the jokes she used to crack during the meeting. Yeah, you know the new Madam, Sumitra Madam, all, and my wonderful friend at Hyderabad who recently superannuated, Mr. Murthy sir. We are also, so I got so many good friends. No, I'll continue. I'll be still there in Mumbai for some more time. So I'll be meeting, I'll be disturbing you, I'll be calling you. Okay. And thank you very much. Thank you everyone for all the love and support that you have extended to me. And I'll never forget this. And thank you very much once again to all my dear friends. Thank you. Nina Bopaya Madam, thank you very much for your presence. I am very, very, very much there. I got on that retirement day, 30th March, I got the first message from Nina Madam. She sent the message. That much care she takes. And she never missed the occasion to miss any teacher for his birthday. That is also there. Now we are missing everything, sir. And most of the photos in that videos and other things, the credit goes to Nina Madam. Because of her, we used to have that picnic. Most of the picnics were throughout 33 years service. Onam celebration we had once only. That also because of that. And picnic, swimming pool, all the enjoyments maximum. That's why that was a wonderful time. Thank you very much. I never expected you, but I am very, very thankful to you, Madam, for.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Shukla sir, Sangeeta Mr. Madam, everyone. Mini Madam, Mini K Madam, all the mini madams. two, three mini madams are there. Jessie Madam for all the good words. Madam, thank you very much. Thanks to everyone. We'll continue.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, magic, I would tell that Rajat also has joined the meeting.
Yeah,
Rajat,
so he was a very good friend of mine during the picnics and all.
So I know what sir is going to do after retirement. So this is a small poetry dedicated to sir. All his secrets are here.
Suresh sir, I missed Suresh sir.
Suresh sir is also there.
Suresh Sangeet sir. Suresh, after leaving this place, I could not meet him. Yeah. So our picnics, we have to meet.
Yeah,
I will be coming to all the places. I will be coming visiting Kaiga. I want to meet everyone.
Yeah.
So all the places. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.
So we are waiting for this period to get over, and then we will be meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sure, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thanks. Okay. Mr. Sir. Yes, Sangeeta, Mr. Madam.
Sir, this is a secret that you shared with me. So I put it in the form of poetry. I asked you what you're going to do from tomorrow. So you said that you're going to take care of kitchen. So this is dedicated to madam. वचन देता हूँ कि घर के हर छोटे बड़े कामों में मैं भी तुम्हारा हाथ बटाऊंगा. जब सुबह तुम सो रही होगी तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए टिफिन और चाय बनाऊंगा. अब मैं स्कूल के क्वेश्चन पेपर और डेटा शीट भी कंप्लीट करके दिखाऊंगा. दिया हुआ 7 वचनों के बाद ये वचन भी निभाऊंगा.
रंजन सब कब रिटायर हो रहे हैं मैडम?
He will have a bigger list to do.
Thank you very much.
It was wonderful hosting the program. Also, we enjoyed being with all maths faculties here. Very grateful to all maths teachers for encouraging us and joining the group. To Shukla sir now.
Yes, thank you, madam. Thank you, Sangeeta madam, and thank you, Kalyan Babu sir, especially. But first of all, let me congratulate our Satish sir, because when I look back, I also have completed more than 10 years in this service. And when I look back, I have spent some time at Kaiga and now at Rawat Bhata. When I see what I have done, then I hardly see and find any big achievement, because at the same time, when I see the teachers like Satish sir, who has spent such a great time, Satish sir is someone on whom you can rely. You can give him any weak batch of students, he will produce 100% result. You give him a talented batch of students, he will produce plenty of NTSEs, plenty of great students in mathematics subject. So he is the one who creates the interest among all the students, even the people who are very weak. Those students also, after passing out 10th, become fond of Satish sir, and will keep remember. I'm very sure that all students are going to keep remember him throughout their life. They will never forget a teacher like Satish sir, and that's why Satish sir, like people, are true inspirations for new teachers, for young teachers like me, because I learn that when things are not so well, when you don't get success as a teacher, you don't get success with your students, then people like Satish sir are inspiration. So these are my there are my good wishes for sir, that wherever you are there, you be happy, healthy, and you are creative. I know you are creative, so certainly you will find something to do even better than the things that you have done in these many years. So wish you all the best for post-retirement life, and it's a great experience. This virtual farewell is a great experience. I have no words. How should I thank Sangeeta Mishra madam? Because this plan of farewell, I think in last 3-4 days only we have discussed about this farewell, and she is the one who was behind the curtain, who is in front of the curtain, and perhaps she has coordinated with everyone who is involved, even for creating videos or for speeches, etc., or for almost all the things. And I should also thank our Kalyan Babu sir. Kalyan Babu sir, as a very senior teacher who has experience of all the working at plenty of centers. So sir has coordinated with all the people, all the maths teachers who were there in AES group, maths teachers group, and very successfully this virtual farewell was planned and executed. So I'm thankful to all, and I'm thankful to especially Neena Bopaya madam, because seniors, when they join and appreciate, it's a special feeling. So thank you so much, Neena madam, and all the maths teachers जो सभी अभी join किए, and they have shared their views and experiences with us, and have given us a different kind of feeling, because first time I'm also attending virtual farewell, first time only. So wish you all the best, Satish sir, and thanks to all, and a special thanks to our coordinators, our Kalyan sir and our Sangeeta madam. So thank you everyone. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Shukla sir. We'll be meeting soon at Dawat Bata.
Sure, sir, sure.
So let's all clap for all of us that we all made it a success. So thank you, and it was great meeting all the teachers.
Thanks to all. Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Neela.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Thank you, Kalyan Babu sir.
Excellent program.
Mini madam, thank you.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Very joy, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jesse ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Sangeeta.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye,
Happy
bye.
retirement, sir.
Thank you.
It was pleasant to see Jessie ma'am after a long time.
Yeah.
She's my mentor. She's my mentor. She was my guide. She is still in my life, always there. She's a great inspiration for me. A very important person in my life.
I think you are already bidding farewell to me.
No.
No, I have only 3 years left, so I'll be living soon.
No.
Following that, Satish sir.
I'm honored with the presence of very great people. Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Bye. They say only 3 years, sir.
Yes?
Yeah, only 3. Only 3? For me, big, huge time. I've been here in this for last 33 years. This is my 34th year running.
Okay.
Satish sir, where is Sita Lakshmi madam? We didn't see her.
Hi, madam.
I sang poetry for madam, even then madam did not come.
दो लाइंस मेरे पास भी है, मैं भी बोल दूं कुछ 2 लाइंस। वो रिटायरमेंट पे ही है कि जीवन के जब सब उपवन मुरझा जाते हैं, जीवन के जब सब उपवन मुरझा जाते हैं, तो पति पत्नी ही एक दूसरे का साथ निभाते हैं। साथ निभाए आप दोनों एक दूसरे के।
हाय सीता मैडम, हाय सीता मैडम, ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? സീതാ മാഡം ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? മിനി ജോയ് ഫ്രം കൂടംകുളം. ഇനി ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്കൊക്കെ വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, കൂടംകുളത്തേക്കൊക്കെ.
Daughters are here, no, madam, that's why.
Okay.
How are you?
Fine, going.
Okay, fine. All the best.
Okay, sir.